So this one is a bamboo charcoal mask, right? And we have many other body wash. For example, you dream to start your cosmetic business, this is the right factory that you can connect with. Watch this video till the end. You will see how you can develop your cosmetics business from your country. Very important. Don't miss this opportunity. Watch this video. Here you can make almost any beauty product with your own brand. For example, face mask, face creams, serum, lotion, soaps, anti-aging mask, body scrubs, body wash, body lotion, stretch mark cream, and many more. You can also make shampoo, hair mask, hair oil, hair serum, hair cream, and leave-in condition. They also make breast care products and many other beauty products. If you already have a product you like, you can send a sample to the factory. They can make a similar product or even a better one. You can also choose the ingredient, the formula, the smell, your logo, your brand name, the bottle, and the package design. Everything can be made just the way you want. Here we have this body scrub, made with coconut. This kind of body scrub you can customize. Okay, this group here is made with salt, and then here is with sugar. This product you can customize as you want. So you put your logo, your personal design, and then it's completely yours and you can sell in your market. Very good. This factory is the right one that you need. Okay, look at this. For example, this is a bamboo charcoal whitening and purifying mask. Okay, so all this kind of product you can get it from this factory. You can customize and sell it in your country, right? Very good. They have many products here that you can get from this factory. If you have a particular product, okay, and you want to start your business, because this is not a place to buy maybe 1 pieces or 5 pieces. No, it's for people that want to develop their business. So if you need many pieces, this factory will help you to produce. Okay, all right. You need any product, cosmetic product, let me know, because this factory is the right one. Do not forget. Very important. Okay, look at this one. This one is a shampoo. You want a shampoo like this, you can get from this company. 我为您给问题。如果比如说他们需要这个3万
Yes，
你们需要多长时间能做好了？
我们会在设定你的设计稿之前，你如果说所有的设计稿已经确认之后，我们会在25天之内给你交付。
25天。
对，25天。
哦。